Sub-Saharan. As you see at the top, you have a list of the 4 regions. As you move down, the first page is going to provide you with every country in Sub-Saharan Africa. Okay, easy to click on here, find the location of the countries. There will be a requirement to know where many of them are. Then you go down to the physiographic regions. Now, these are right from her map studies. The physiographic regions are marked with a check mark, as you can see. All right, and here's the list of them just below. So you just look at the list. It'll tell you where to find it: the Chad Basin, the Congo Basin, the Sudan Basin, and so on. They're all marked with check marks. So if you go up to the map, you'll see there's the Congo Basin, there's the Chad Basin. Okay, shouldn't take a lot of time to find the required regions that she's looking for. Okay, so then we go down to the next page, which is the rivers. All right, now there is 2 rivers missing. Okay, the Congo River, which if you look at the map of the Congo, and I won't show it to you right now, you'll find it's right in here. Okay, I don't know how I blew that one, but I did. In addition to that, all the rivers that you're required to know are right here. Zambezi, the White Nile, the orange, you can see them here. There's the Zambezi, there's the Zaire. Actually, the Zaire wasn't on there. The Blue Nile, you'll see the Blue Nile, the White Nile, etc. The Congo River and the Limpopo River are the only 2 that are missing. And I'll talk about that in a bit. Okay, then we go down. Scroll down. Okay, here is the entire map of Africa, the entire map. But these are the features that they're looking for. I use the entire map, but obviously all the features are sub-Saharan. They're all marked with their little identifier. Kalahari Desert is right in here. Lake Chad is up a little higher in Chad. There's Lake Chad. So they're all marked with the appropriate identifier. There's Madagascar. So those are the other features that they're looking for. They're all on there with their own decal. Now you'll notice, and maybe let's see. The Congo. Okay, we're not going to see the Congo on this map, so hold on to that. Then you have the rainforests, and these are the 3 major rainforests. Okay, Congo Basin, Northwest African, and Madagascar, and they're all. Here's the Northwest African. Okay, I'm sorry. Here's the Northwest African. See the blue? Here's the Congo Basin, and then here's the Madagascar. Those are the 3 specific rainforests. Then we go down to the lowlands and the highlands. Okay. Again, this is identified in case you need it. This is a little bit extra. It might not be on the test, but it very well could be. Low Africa, which is west and central, is right here. High Africa, which is southern and eastern, is right here. climate regions, in case there are questions of climate, broken down into rainforests, grasslands, semi-arid, desert, etc. I don't know how much of this will be on the test, but it's there for your reference. The cities, okay? Now, you got a question about having to know about 12 different cities. She gives you a list. Um, I don't have the list here, but you will have the list on the test. And what you have to do simply is all of the all of the cities she's asking you about are capitals. So if you go down, for example, I know one of the cities that you have to find is Cairo. So you look at Cairo, you see it's in Egypt. You go up to Egypt. Okay, Egypt is not on the test. Bad example. All right. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to waste your time on that. Ethiopia, right here. Addis Ababa. So you go up to the map, look for Ethiopia right here, and there's Addis Ababa. So you'd be able to plot them. These will take you the longest time because you have to hunt for the city, but you already have the name of the country on this list. So if well, I don't know how many cities she's going to ask you to find. She listed 12 on the study sheet, uh, but you'll find them here. These are all the capital cities of every country in Africa, including the ones that aren't in Sub-Sahara. All right. So that's the best I can do for you there. All right, and that is the whole thing on Sub-Sahara. The main thing is the rivers. I'll probably send you a little attachment on the rivers so that you can look at it. Here's the countries in a clear view in case you're trying to say, all right, I got to find Khartoum. Oh man, where's Sudan? Okay, well, here's Khartoum. Look, it's much easier to find Sudan by going down here, all right, and looking. There's Sudan, all right. There's not a lot of other stuff on there, so you can see clearly. All right. Okay. Little countries are all located over here. Uh, Gambia, Senegal, Cape Verde, Liberia, and so on. So you find all the small countries here. The big ones that stick out pretty well. The Congo River is going to be right in here. All right. But it doesn't show it on here. Okay. So that's it for Sub Saharan. That might be one of the tougher quizzes to take.